Hi, I'm Michael Richardson. Classification-aware Defect Ranking, CDR, is a model that I developed for prioritizing defects based on a mandate to repair and the breadth of exposure. This video presents using Excel to calculate the CDR model Defect Ranking Score. Before we get into Excel, let's review the Defect Ranking Score equation and each of the factors to be considered. Here we see the equation, the defect ranking score variables, and typical options that can be used to capture the variable values. In the previous video, we reviewed each of the options, so we won't repeat that now. Because we need to perform a calculation, we need to pair each option text with an option value. We will use these values here as they have been found to work well. You might try other values, but first, be sure to do a diligent analysis of the DRS distribution. These values provide a small overlap of defect ranking scores between defect classes. This provides for the opportunity to take care of some of the low-hanging fruit or potentially easy fixes from a class of defects that are normally considered to be a lower priority. Let's get started and open Excel. I'm opening a workbook that already has a working example. I'll add a new sheet and go through the steps to create this calculator so you can see the steps involved in creating the Excel DRS calculator. We will create the option value pairs, create a defect processing area, create data validators for cells where you will select the DRS variable options, and finally, create your value mapping and score calculation area. Let's get started and open Excel. I'm opening a workbook that already has a working example. I'll add a new sheet and go through the steps to create this calculator so you can see the steps involved in creating the Excel DRS calculator.